Hello everyone, today's video about change improper fractions to mixed numbers. Let's take one fraction first here, 9 over 4. 9 over 4 is an improper fraction, and if we want to change into the mixed number, let's try to do by the diagram first. So 9 over 4, it means each whole things we divide into 4 parts. So here these circles I divided into the 4 parts. So out of each circle 4 parts I divide. How many parts we need? 9 parts need. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 2 whole circles we give us the 8 parts, but actually we need the 9 part. So 1/4 we need also extra, which is a leftover. So 2 whole circle, 1 and 2 whole circle means 2 whole, and what is the leftover? 1 part is a leftover out of 4. So 1/4. In short, if you want to understand here, this part we can understand like this. Here is a 1 circle, and that circle, if I divide into the 4 parts, we are not using the all 4 parts. We need only 1 more parts, because out of 2 circle we got the 8 part, but actually we need 9. So third circle we need the 1 part only, which is I draw here separately. So this is the 1/4 is a leftover. 2 whole circle and leftover is a 1/4. Okay, so this is the way we can solve by the diagram, but diagram is a not easy to always draw and find out. It also time taking method. So let's try by the short method, which is a long division. So numerator divide by denominator, that also gives us answer the mixed number. So numerator is a 9, divide by 4 is a denominator. Now 9 divided by 4, how many 4 goes into the 9? 2 4 goes into the 9. If I say in a simplest language, then I can say 4 times what gives me 9, or closest and smaller than 9. So obviously 9 we cannot find in a times table 4, but yes, closest to the 9 and smaller than 9, it is a 8. And 4 times what is 8? 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 is our answer, and 9 take away 8, which is a 1. So here we don't have any further number, right? So we are stop here our division, and this 1 is a remainder, which we are writing the numerator of the mixed numbers fraction. So answer 2 is our whole number, and this 1 is a numerator of the fraction, and denominator is a, as it is what is the improper fraction, same denominator for the mixed number fraction. Okay, let's try the fraction, this fraction. We take the another example. Let's try here. So let's take 5 over 3. Okay, so here we have to, whatever things we take, that we have to divide into the 3 parts. Here I draw the 2 rectangle, and each rectangle I divided into the 3 parts. And how many parts we need out of 3 each? We need the 5 parts. So let's we shaded the 5 parts. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts and 5 parts. So if we shaded 5 parts, then what they gave us first? They gave us the 1 whole rectangle, means 1 whole. And what is the leftover? In a second rectangle we use only 2 parts, right? So 2 is a leftover out of 3. So this is the mixed number answer, 1 whole and 2 thirds. Sorry. So this way also same answer. If we want to find the long division, then how can we do? Let's see here. 5 divided by 3. So how many 3 goes into the 5? In short, 3 times what 5 or smaller than 5? Obviously 5 we cannot find in a times table 3, but 3 times 1 is a 3, which is the smallest and closest to 5. And now 5 take away 3, which is a 2. So 2 is a remainder. So 2 is a, 1 answer as a whole number, and remainder 2 going to be a numerator of the mixed number fraction. Denominator we write as it is the 3. Okay. Here I am giving you one simple question. Let's say 5/2. Try this one. Please pause your video and try to solve it. I hope you done. Let's try to solve together. So here each rectangle I divide into the two parts. How many parts we need? 5 parts. Let's say here 1, 2, 3, 4. If we use the whole two rectangle, we got the 4 parts, but we need the 5 parts. So one more parts we get from the third rectangle. So 2 rectangle we use the whole, so 2 whole, and from the third rectangle we using the only 1 part, means this is the 1 part we take as a fraction. So 1/2. So 2 whole and half, it's a mixed number answer. Let's see by the long division. So 5 divided by 2. 2 times 2 is a 4. Okay. So 5 take away 4, which is a 1. So remainder 1. You can see answer is a 2. Means 2 whole. And remainder 1 means left over 1/2 or half. 2 whole and half is the answer. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching, and please like and share my video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.